Hey guys, and welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about one of the amazing features inside of UChat, inside of the live chat, which is the custom URL. So this allows an agent to iframe a certain custom URL for the bot user in the live chat after clicking the custom URL icon. So what does this exactly mean? This means that, as an example, inside of the live chat conversation with the user, you might want to update their credentials inside of a CRM directly on the spot, right? Normally you would need to switch between tabs and stuff like that, but this custom URL actually allows you to have a pop-up model or have it on the side panel, to pop it up, to log in specifically towards that CRM or any other third-party platform that you might want to connect to, which allows iframing, so that is a really important part, right? And then you can update the credentials directly on the spot instead of needing to switch between different tabs. So how does this exactly work? Once inside your chatbot, you can find the setting under the settings, then live chat features. And if we scroll down, you will have this custom URL section. Now, as an example, I connected towards my CRM account for AirChatty. And as you can see, I have a certain URL and also a certain variable. So how did I come towards this specific URL? So if I go towards my account right now inside of AirChatty, you will see that I just logged into my account, also into my contact. And if I take a look at the URL bar, right, directly here, you will see that I have a certain section here. So I know that this specific section of the URL is a constant, so I can just copy and paste this directly inside, right? So directly inside of here. And then we have a certain variable, and that variable, you can see, that is the contact ID. Now for UChat and the connection with Go High Level or AirChatty, you can save the contact ID to a system field called contact ID. If we take a look under the available variables, you will also see that we have a CRM underscore contact ID. So this is the system variable that is being used to save the contact ID of the Go High Level user. So what I did is you can press it once and you can add this towards the end of the URL in this case, because that is also the format that you have here, right? So we have contact details and then the customer ID or the contact ID. For your CRM or your platform which you want to connect to, you might need some other parameters. So instead of the CRM ID, you might need the username or you might need the user email, right? Those are the variables, or the user phone, right? So those are basically the variables that you can use in order to directly go towards this specific user inside of the live chat. So I created this example, right? And I saved this. Then another feature here is the target, which you can determine yourself. So do you want to have a pop-up model, a pop-up window, a new tab, a side panel, right, opening up? That's totally up to you. I prefer the pop-up model because it gives me a good, nice overview. So I save this. And if I go towards my bot user profile, as you can see here, I can check whether or not I have the specific CRM ID. So I can just go with CRM and I can see that I have this contact ID pre-filled, right? So at the bottom, you will see that there is a monitor. This monitor means that you can go and enable that custom URL link that you provided in the settings. And if I press this, you will see a nice new pop-up model popping up. And because Go High Level allows iframing, I'm now able to log into my account and directly go towards this user's contact. And as you can see, I go directly towards my contact here. So that's a great way, because now I can update the credentials. If I need to add the user's tags, I can do so here as well. If I need to add the user towards an automation or opportunity, I can do that all directly from this section without even leaving the conversation. And once I'm done, I'm just going to close this tab by pressing the cross sign on the top right, and I can continue the conversation with the user. So how cool is this? That you don't have to leave the live chat environment. You can log into your custom CRM, your ESP provider, or your project management system, and directly basically create the contact or update the contact details based on the parameters that you have given it. So if you have any questions, do let us know. We think this is a really cool feature that brings the live chat inbox to the next level in order to connect towards your favorite CRM, connect to other third-party platforms, in order to be able to bring this experience for the agents as well as the user to the next level. So do try it out. Let us know what you find of this specific feature. And for now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.